The once vibrant spirit of the village, suddenly dimmed by the tragedy, was reignited as the sounds of progress filled the air, with workers erecting different structures ranging from a mosque, hospitals, skill acquisition center, drilling boreholes to provide water for the people, as well as the construction of this road linking the village to Kaduna metropolis.
The travel time from this very important community to the town will be reduced. Movement of goods will also be eased. And most of the people that will participate are the people of Tudun Biri community, so there will be job creation.
Buba
I
Yunusa,
remember
one of
that
the
when
survivors
the
who
thing
operated the
come
sound
happen,
instrument on that
we lost
Saturday the
our people.
incident happened, says through tragedy they now find hope of a better tomorrow as the construction takes shape.
If government does hospital for us, we are happy now. But if you get car to go car or airport, we no get road. The government said that we will do road for us. Now we don't see it. Government then starting doing everything.
However, amidst the pain and memories of their loved ones, there is a sense of hope in this community as the construction progresses. In Kaduna, I am Muhammad Umarajingi, NTA News.